Mini food videos are getting crazy views right now. There's an Instagram page with over 239,000 followers that's pulling in millions of views on almost every upload. One of their videos even reached 123 million views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make these videos yourself. This one took me less than 2 minutes to create. Start by opening ChatGPT and going to Explore GPTs. Search for Mini Food Build Generator and open the first result. Then click Start the Generator. You'll see 10 different ideas. Pick a number, enter your own idea, or ask for more options. I choose number 1. The GPT will create an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Go to Create Image. Choose your resolution, paste the prompt, and generate the image. In my case, it created tiny workers building a giant watermelon. Once the image is ready, switch on frame to video. Then copy the video prompt from the GPT, paste it into Google Flow, and hit Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. Here are a few more videos I made using the same method. Like and subscribe for more AI content ideas that are working right now.